so this is birthday unboxing part 3. Look at this, just in my socks. Okay, so we're gonna unbox the Fortnite Lego. I'm really excited. I love Fortnite and Roblox. So let's unbox it. So this might take a long time, so I'm gonna do a part 2 later. I don't know when. Actually, I don't know when. I'm gonna be. Well, I don't know why Legos are so hard to open. Let's get off of the Got this one piece bag. Is that what number? Number 3. Okay. Oh, I see instructions. 2. This is 1. So we're gonna do one. There's one more. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's the balloon. Yep, nothing else. We need instructions. Oh, look at this. I'm so excited when it's done. I'm so excited to see it when it's done. So let's do this. Okay, number 1 we have. Yay! Okay. And I could redeem this in Fortnite. That's cool. Let's unbox this. I see him. Let's build him. Just his pants. Oh. I found his pants. Yay. Great job, me. Let's build him. Wait, do we have to? Okay, let's put a bomb. Yes, clock this. Okay. I haven't built Lego in so long. I forgot how it feels like to build Legos. Wow. Oh, wait. I haven't connect yet. Wow, we got him. I'm so excited. Okay, first we start off with this. And you guys can fast forward this if you guys need to, cause like this might take a long time for me to do these. So yeah. Okay, so we need this part. Yeah, this is white. Pretty accurate. And then we need the small piece. Okay. Next page. We need 2 of those. Okay. Yeah, we got these. We got 2 of these. Okay. We need a small piece, but oh, it's from this bag. Yeah, it is from this bag. So let's unbox this. What is it? Okay, I found one. I found one. I found 2. And then we need one of these. Okay, 2 of those. Okay, so what do we need to do? take this. Then we get one of these, and then we supposed to put it. Yeah, like this. That's easy. Wow, look at me. I'm doing great, and we need to do it again. So we need 2 of them for something. I don't even know what we need 2 of these for. Wow, look at this. The next, oh, we put it. Oh, okay. I got it. Okay. Wing! It's like a knife. Okay, we need one of these, and one of these, and what? No, we need a sword one. Can't find a sword one. Okay, found one. Yeah, found one. I think that's a sword one. Then we need one of these long Lego one. Yeah, cool. Okay, so first we put this onto these. Oh, that's easy. It's like a butcher. Okay, anyways. We put. Wait, what? What do we do on this? Probably this. Yeah, I'm correct. Okay, then we put on this. I remember building Legos was so hard when I first saw Lego. I remember that. Wait, what's my ever first Lego? So we supposed to put it here, and I did it. It's an L. L. Okay, next page. Okay. Need this, and then this. Wait. 6, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, we do the same thing. Oh yeah, we did the same thing. Let's do it again. It's the same white. I think I did it white. Wait, no. Let's. Okay, so I did it white. One of these. This seems accurate. Okay. Guys, I think that's correct. Oh wait, do we need a long one? Yeah, we do need a long one. So this is long, I'm guessing. Okay, what do we do next? Okay, we need these 2 of them. Wow, I think this is white. Yeah, this is white. We need, cause we need 2 of these on this side. We need 2 of these on this side and 1 of these on this side. Next page. Okay, we need these. Okay. I'm just scared if I mess up like that. Like sometimes that happens to me and then I have to rebuild it, which that's gonna be hard. So I'm focusing right now. I'm not getting this wrong this time. I'm gonna be like slowing. I'm gonna go slow so that I don't mess up. So yeah. Okay, so we need these and this. So what do we do? Oh, the same thing. Okay, let's do it. So we need to do 2 of it. I did 1. Okay. I did it. These 2 and then I put it on any side. Let's do this side first. Wow. Wait, what? What does it look already done? Oh, it's the platform. Okay, I was confused. And next we need one of these. Get 1 of these. And then we need 2 of this. And then we need 1 of a long one. I think it's this one. So let's build it now. We start off with this one. Wow. Yeah, I'm clocking this. Yes. Yes. Okay. What do we do? Huh? Oh. Oh my god, it's breaking apart. Guys, I'm focused. I'm focused right now. No. Yeah, I did it right. That was kind of hard. I know it's gonna get more harder. I'm so scared. Okay. Can we flip this? Okay. Wow. I'm doing great right now. I haven't messed up yet, so that's great. Look at this. This. Wow. Okay. Wait, did I? Oh, I did it right. Okay. Okay. So let's throw us out. Let me put 2 of these. think I did it right. Whoa, green now. We need green stuff. Yeah, these are white. This is white. One of those. Whoa, I'm literally sweating. I did it. Place it here. Wait. Yeah. Place it here. Okay, next. We need 2 of these. Yeah, more. The other piece. Oh. Got these 2. Bro, this part is gonna be hard. Okay. So. Okay. I think that's right. 100% sure. Okay. Okay, did it right. Okay, we need 2. So we need 2 of these. Okay. What we do? Oh. Okay. We need 1 of these. That's white. That is white. Okay. I'm gonna pull these out. Okay. Okay. mess up. My first mess up. My second mess up. Next one. Place this. Okay, we need a long one. Oh wait. This side. Oh, wait, what do we need? That shape. Well done. Okay, so can we replace those? But I don't have it. Oh, wait, this. Wait, did I lost it? Oh, it's this one. I found it. Yay! Oh, okay. We need this. Oh, we need what else? This and 3 of this. Inside. Oh. my nose. Okay, next, put on this. Oh my god, this might be the hardest part ever. My hands are so sweaty. Okay, we put on these next. Oh, these are easy. Wow. What else do we do? Okay, we put it. Hold on. Oh my gosh, the piece are breaking off. I'm so mad. Bro, what did I did? This broke off. We did it. Yeah. Okay. Next part. Did it. When we add page 2, we're gonna stop. So yeah, do a part 2 maybe. So I need one of these. I don't have one of these. I need one of these again. One of these. Put these on. Get down. Get down. Okay. Good. Put this on. This is easy. Okay. What? What do we do on this one? Do I still have more? I'm not even talking right now because I'm like super focused. My focus face. So focused. I'm locking. Locking. Oh my god. Oh my hands. Okay. Locking now. I'm doing this again. Okay. Okay, I did it right. To be locked in. Lock in, Willie. Lock in. Didn't. Yeah. There's still more. Let's speed one this. Three of these. Freak. I did it. Yeah, it's never gonna end. I'm serious. It's never gonna end. Okay, 3 flowers. Put these here. Did one. We need to do 3 of these, so yeah. You know what? My hands are so sweaty, like there's like water on my hand. I feel like that. That on. Mm-hmm. It did it. Wow. That's flowers, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna be done soon. These again. Put this here. Wait. We put this on. I finally did it. We did it. There's some. This is gonna take a long time. All done. Let's move on to the next page. Okay. I think this is the last page. Oh my gosh, I haven't ate yet. Mama second house, I say I will. Oh, Mama second I in the bell. You won't. Gonna reach quit. Okay. Finally. Oh. There's freaking more. One more of these. One more of these. Oh, it was a package. And by the way, if you guys forgot, you guys can fast forward this until the end, then you guys can see it. Oh my gosh. Finally! Oh, let's put that back together. Anyway, guys, this is proof that this is part 2. This is back 2. So we're gonna be and I'm gonna be doing a part 2. So stay tuned for this one. There's a minifigure. I'm so excited. But bye guys, and subscribe and like, because I did all that work. Bye bye.